I will show you how to lubricate your electronic home sewing machine, which two parts must constantly be lubricated so your machine works well, does not go out of adjustment, and its parts last a long time. And I will also show you how to lubricate a third part that is very important and that many people do not lubricate and overlook. We are going to the top part and we will lower the cover that hides the needle bar. The screw is located on this side. We remove the screw and in some models we must go to the back where we will also find the screw which we will only loosen, we will not remove it completely. And that is how we remove the cover. We will start with the third part. We see that when we move the pressure foot lever, we see the pressure bar. It is also important to lubricate this part since we are constantly raising and lowering the pressure foot, and it also needs good lubrication. We can lubricate it with an oiler or the tip of a syringe.
In this case, for the pressure bar, we will use just 1 drop of oil.
And we raise and lower the pressure foot lever so the oil starts to go down. Then we start with one of the two very important parts that must always be lubricated. We move the hand wheel and see how the needle bar goes up and down. When we set the bar to its lowest point and also add a small drop of oil, then we stop moving the hand wheel so the oil begins to go down. After this, we proceed to put its cover back on. And we also tighten the screw on the back. After this, we go to the second very important part that we must lubricate. We go to the bottom and remove this cover. We go down and remove the shuttle parts. We take out the bobbin case. With this bobbin, we push the plastic latches to the side. And we remove the hook retainer, and finally we remove the hook shuttler or loop taker. With the needle up, we are going to lubricate this part of the hook shaft with a drop. And we start moving the hand wheel so the oil goes into the shaft. With the needle up again, we are going to put its parts back. First the hook. In case too much oil gets on it, you can wipe it with a small cloth, there is no problem. Then the hook retainers. We close the left plastic openers. Right, and finally we put in the bobbin case with its bobbin. And it should click. We close it. We put this accessory holder back, plug the machine in and turn it on. And that is how our machine is ready to sew, lubricated. Let us remember that for this type of lubrication, depending on how much we use our machine, we must lubricate it constantly. Between every 5 and 8 days would be ideal, depending on the use, if you use it a lot. If you use it little, it can be every 15 days.